Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's activity, we are going to see how to make a protractor using paper folding activity. Friends, this is an interesting and a fun activity. I hope you like it, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. So let's get started. For this activity, you need a paper circle like this and sketch pen and a scale. Okay, here what we are trying to do, we are making a paper protractor. Okay, you know complete circle is 360 degree, and now we fold this. So fold it in such a manner that it overlaps completely. So this becomes semicircle. Now you can see it looks like a shape of protractor. Okay, now what we will do, we will cut this from here. Okay, so this becomes our protractor. Okay, now if I fold this is 180, right? So this you can say the baseline of your protractor. Now we fold this like this and see that it is overlapping exactly. So make a crease like this, open this. Okay, now draw a line along this standing line, vertical line. This makes 90 degree. Okay, this is your protractor. This was 180, this is 90. Now we fold. Now this is important, how to do this. This is 90 degree, we have already got this. Now we fold this like this, and from this corner you slightly do like this and fold this in such a manner that it overlaps exactly from this corner. Look at this, these two should match. Okay, they all should be of equal parts. We are trying to make equal parts of it. Okay, when you are sure that it is perfectly equal, you can press to make a crease. Okay, this should be equal. So now once you see this is 3 equal parts, from the center till up we make a crease. Can you see, this is inside, it is going till here, till the end, and this side also it is going till the end. This much is 90. We have made 3 equal parts, so each part will be 30 degree, right? So we will draw now. You can see the crease, draw the lines here. Now again you can fold this as we did earlier. This is 90 divided by into 3 parts, so each one is 30. Now if I cut this 30 into 3 equal parts, I will get 10 degree. Okay, so let's do it again. This is 30 degree, right? So again we try to divide into 3 equal parts. So when you make 3 equal parts, it will become 10 degree each. When you see equal part, this end is touching this side and this end is also matching with this end, then you can press it completely. The crease should be very nice. And now we open this. You will see the crease is here. Okay, so we will make a dot for each now. Each one is 10 degree, you can count. here is your handmade protractor. I hope you like this and you will definitely try to make this one. Friends, this helps you to know what will be the half of the given angle. Say this is 180, one half of 180 is 90. You can see 90. Okay, you can fold and see. You can also see 1/3 of 180. 1/3 means 3 equal parts. So we fold 3 equal parts. So here you go like this. 3 equal parts we are making, and here we see that this is 3 equal parts. So count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. These lines, near this line 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on till 180. Now we can match this with the original protractor. See, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90 and so on. You can see this matches exactly. So what does it mean? It means that whether you're taking a small circle or you're taking a big circle, the angles formed at the center remains same. Although this size increases, the angle at the center remains same. So hope you have liked this activity and you will try it at home and enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you soon in the next video.